Maurice here back for another Power Pack training. Today we're going to talk about why you need to quit SMMA if you still don't have your first client right now. Ladies and gentlemen, at the time of this video, it is July. The year is almost done. And if you still haven't got your first client, gang, you are playing around, okay? And you need to quit, okay? Go get a job, okay? This may not be for you, okay? Let me give you the cold, hard facts, ladies and gentlemen, of the opportunity that you have with SMMA, okay? This door used to be closed years ago. The Yellow Book, the newspaper, and television dominated, okay? The advertising. The little guy like me and you, okay, was closed out, okay? With the evolution, okay, of the internet, it has allowed us, okay, to participate in a multi-billion-dollar industry called advertising, okay? We're advertisers, all right? And a lot of you guys need to quit. It's no reason, okay? I'm talking to you, should not have your first client. You are playing games. I have a course that shows you literally how to get clients using the phone, okay? And all you gotta do is purchase it, lock yourself in a room for the next week and devour it, and then start implementing it and start getting clients. I have free videos. The other gurus, they have free videos on YouTube, hours and hours of strategies you can implement, even if you don't have money. We have coaching. You can hire someone to coach you, okay? You got guys like myself that have generated $50K in 1 month that will take you by the hand and show you how to set these things up so that you can make $10,000 a month so that you can feed your family at the next level, okay? But yet, okay, you guys still don't, it's no reason, okay? The point of this video is to wake you guys up. You guys are playing around. You should have a minimum of 5 clients right now. A minimum. I'll give you one a month. January, February, March, April, May, June. Okay, that's 6. You should actually have 6. Not 5, but one a month. And each one of them should be paying you a minimum of $2,000. So you should be generating $12,000 a month right now. Okay? And if you're not, what I want you to do is click the link in the description, and you need to sign up for one-on-one coaching and/or a strategy call or get the course, because you are playing games. Now, if you have fears and you're like, Maurice, I'm afraid of the phone, I'm scared, okay, then you need help, okay? And let's just deal with that. How do you eliminate fear? Because a lot of you guys never built a business before. I've built multiple 6-figure businesses, okay, that I don't talk about because I don't, it's irrelevant, all right? My goal is to help you guys in SMMA. But most of you guys have never built any type of business. So you don't understand the magnitude. That's why Uncle Maurice constantly shoots you guys content that's real, okay, and that will set you free so that you can be financially free and live a phenomenal life, okay? But my point is, you don't know nothing about business, so therefore you got to get trained right. And I want to train you guys the right way. And mentally, most of you guys are jacked up. Mentally, most of you guys have pride and ego and fears, and it's blocking you from getting to $10,000 a month. And my goal is to break that mess. And the way you break that mess is through massive action. You get the course quickly. Okay, what I want you guys to do is, if you haven't got the course, get it quickly. If you haven't signed up for a one-on-one coaching or strategy call, do it now. And if you need help and you have a large financial investment, you want one-on-one coaching, do it, and do it quickly. Okay, that's the only way you're going to be able to defeat procrastination, fear, and phobias, because a lot of you guys have a fear of the phone, okay? You guys are afraid. And the way that I train my students, okay, and I've done strategy calls with individuals that have mental blocks that stops them from picking up the phone. And we've had a 1-hour strategy session call and I broke that mess, and they were immediately able to head to the promised land, which is $10,000 a month, and or getting that first client, okay? I may even put out something because I just believe when you get your first client, the door opens up. Let me do that again. When you get your first client, the door opens up. You know, it was like when I first hit, 20K, and then I hit 30K, then 40, now I didn't hit 50K in a month. It's like everything's opened up. Now it's opened up. If I want to go for 100K, I can just go through the door of 100K a month. All through calling. We slapping gurus around, as I've always put down cold calling, telling you guys this or that. You guys can check out the video. I put it out, how I generated 50K a month or 50K last month in SMMA. And it's through cold calling, okay? This stuff works. What I put out in my trainings and what I teach you guys, I do this stuff live. I just don't tell you what to do. I show you how to do it live. Just check out my videos. You guys know I'm raw and I'm uncut. Giving you guys the goods, okay? So anyway, the way you get past that stuff, gang, is you have to take action. And you have to do it now. You can't, see, a lot of you guys want to do it tomorrow. Oh, Maurice, I'll do it when I get paid. No, you do it now, okay? You do it now, quickly. And I found, ladies and gentlemen, that successful people take action immediately. I found that most successful people, if you look at any successful person, I look back at how I hit 50K, I was moving quickly. You got to move quickly, gang. See, I found out that people that are not successful, they procrastinate. That means they never get to it. They say, Maurice, I'll get the course later. Maurice, I'll sign up for coaching later. I'll do a strategy call later. They're later type of people. And later never comes. And in fact, the premise of this video, okay, is that why you need to quit SMMA if you still don't have your first client. And here's why. In January, you set a New Year's resolution that you would get your first client. You set a New Year's resolution. This was your year to make $10,000 a month. This was your year to get Maurice course. This was your year to hire Maurice as a coach. This was your year to maybe buy some other guru's course or do something else or try a Loom or Zoom, another strategy. But here we are in July and you still haven't done nothing. And that's why I'm kicking you out of SMMA. But I'm going to bring you back. I'm going to give you another chance, gang. I'm going to give you guys one more chance because I'm going to do another video, okay? I'm going to do another video towards the end of the year, and I'm going to see from where this video was produced to when that other video is going to be produced, where you are now, okay? I'm kind of giving you guys a little coaching strategy. We want to see if you make progress. See, because a lot of people aren't making progress in life. Okay, and it's simple to make progress. All you have to do is just take one step, and then you take another step, and you take another step. You just make steps every day. Make sure you make progress daily. That's why I say 1 to 2 hours a day, 1 to 2 appointments a day. Is a progression. See, that's what it's about. When I hit my goal of 50K a month, it was a progression. I set the goal in August of 2020 to hit the goal, and now it's 2021. And I hit it in June, and it was a progression. I didn't give up. I just made progress daily. I made it daily. I had to sacrifice daily. I had to, rearrange certain stuff daily. And so my mindset is different. And your mindset has to be different, gang, if you want your first client. You guys want your first client. You want to hit $10,000 a month. There's a path that you must take. And the path is called work and sacrifice and dedication and focus. Too many of you guys are unfocused. You're doing this one day, and then you're doing that. Okay, you're focused on your job. Man, when I was working a job, because I know 90% of you guys have a job, it's only a handful, few of us that do this on a full-time basis. I've been full-time, for almost a decade and a half, okay, as far as entrepreneurship and stuff like that's concerned. But my point is, you guys have a job, okay? I had a job too, all right? But when I got off my job, okay, I was focused on my agency. I was focused on accomplishing my dreams and my goals. I didn't let the cares, I like to say the cares of this life, the bills and the problems and, all the stuff we all go through as human beings, dinner and spending time with your significant others and kids and, all this stuff we have to do. We have to work out and shower and shave and, go to the store and order stuff and all the stuff. You have to clean your house or hire a maid or whatever. Keep the yard up, keep the cars up. See, that's what I call the cares of life. See, most people allow the cares of life to choke their dream out of them. See, I didn't let that stuff. When I was working a job and the boss was on my back, and you had to meet quotas and you were tired, sleep, you got to sleep 8 hours, all this stuff. Okay, you have to do it. And most of you guys allow that stuff to choke your SMMA dream out. In other words, you don't do anything as far as prospecting. You say, I'm too tired to prospect today, I'll do it tomorrow. That's the cares of life. And see, I didn't let that stuff stop me. I was like, man, I'm getting rid of this job. I'm going to buy the course. I'm going to take action. I don't care. I'm going to suck at first because you guys are going to suck because you're new. You never done it before. Okay? It's just like riding a bike. You fall off multiple times, but you don't go throw the bike in the garbage and say bike riding doesn't work. And that's what most of you guys do when it comes to SMMA. You don't get success your first client right away, okay, and then you quit or you buy a course. Oh, man, this course doesn't work. No, you don't work. You got to get a course time. People that put these courses out, ladies, and the case in point, somebody buys my course and say, my course don't work. You essentially saying, I'm not generating X amount of dollars. I done made hundreds of thousands of dollars in SMMA. So I can't be the problem. My course can't be the problem. You're the problem. Okay? And so that's what you guys got to do. That's another thing. Take responsibility for your life. Most of you guys aren't even taking responsibility for your financial future. Most of you guys should have hundreds of dollars in your pocket like Uncle Maurice. You should have hundreds of dollars in your pocket, but you don't because you won't take responsibility for yourself. And I take responsibility for my actions. The only reason why I wouldn't have hit my goal would have been me. But I hit my goal of making $50,000 a month because I took responsibility. The only reason why you won't make $10,000 a month and get your first client, go look in the mirror. It's you. It's you. And so most of you guys are pointing a finger, at the course or at the person or at this or that. No, it's you. You got to get better, gang. If you want your money to get better, you got to get better, And you guys know I only put out fire. And that fire is what cleanses you guys. You guys need some cleansing. So when you come to my channel, you're going to get cleansed. So I can help you guys get to the money. We ain't playing here. I'm not doing this just to entertain you guys. Okay? I'm putting this out to help you. It's too many of you guys are playing. And if you're playing, go get a job. This ain't for you. Okay? And if you're ready to step up, put some money on the line, get the course, get the training, get some high-powered coaching, get somebody to hold you to the fire, okay? Because most of you guys are making excuses. And you can make money or you can make excuses, but you can't do both, okay? It's too many of you guys just playing around, man. I'm tired of it. I want you guys to step up and get this money with Uncle Maurice. Get this money with me, okay? So guys, I hope this video has been of immense value to you. It was a lot of gold. Watch this thing over and over. Listen to it when you're in your car, okay? Because it's psychologically going to do something to you. It's going to elevate you to the next level to take action, okay? I'm not playing around with this thing, man. I don't know what my next endeavor going to be as far as where I want to go, where I want to take it. Maybe I may chill out at the $50K a month. Or maybe I may go $75K, $85K. I don't know. But as of right now, gang, you need to figure out where you want to be. And if you're serious, do what's necessary, guys. Okay? Do what's necessary to be successful and stop playing. Okay? Comment below. Let me know what you thought. Hit the thumbs up. It helps with the algorithm. If you're not a subscriber, you better subscribe to this channel because I'm putting out fire. My goal is to help 100,000 people make $100,000 a year in SMMA. If you want to be a part of it, click the link in the description, grab the course, and just kiss all that stuff you've been going through goodbye, and time for you to make the money. I will see you guys on the next one.